So this question here is a question based on a shampoo bottle. First of all, we have an ellipse. Our major axis is 140. Our minor axis is 80. So we're going to use a radius of 70 for my major axis and 40 for my minor axis. Here's my 70 and my 40. So I have 4 points already on my curve. When it hits my major, go parallel to my minor. When it hits my minor, go parallel to my major. So we're going to draw our curve. It's absolutely vital that every point is contained in the curve. You can't skip any. Lovely. So as we have here, we have our ellipse. I wanted to draw the focal points as usual. So we're going to go half our major axis. I'm going to put a 1 to points on my minor axis and swing an arc. The focal points always have to be on the major axis. So there's F1 and F2. Now, for the remainder of my question. At the bottom here, I'm told to come down a distance of 10 mil. That's okay. And up here, I have a distance of 100. So from our center point, I'm going to measure 50 and 50 on both sides. And measuring down a distance of 10 mil down here. Now I have a radius 10 here, so I'm just going to bring that point there. It's going to give me the height. I know the center point is going to be on this line, so I'm just going to measure in my 10. And same on this side, measuring in my 10. Very important to draw my little cross in there now, just so my corrector or the person looking at my question can see exactly how I'm getting all my constructions. From those 2 points, go straight down. So that gives us the start and the stop of my radius. Very important, as I said before, that your compass is in good condition. Your lead and your point must be at the same height. If they are not at the same height, it is extremely difficult to draw small radiuses in particular. Now, if we look at our question here, we have a radius 100, which is going to be swung from center point here and center point here. At the top here, I'm told to measure up a 10 and a 30. Just going to pull this down. So there's our 10, and we have that 30 point there. So using my compass, I'm going to put the point to my compass here and swing. Now, draw this lovely dark line in. I have there 3 points on my circle, or my arc I should say, because it's not a full circle, so it's an arc. I'm not given my radius, I have to find my radius. Now, if I join these 2 points together, which are here and here, that gives me a chord. This center line bisects the chord, so I know my center point must be on this line. Now, I'm going to join this point to this point. That gives me a chord. As we know, a chord is a line which touches 2 points on the circumference of a circle. I'm going to bisect this line. And when I bisect a line, it gives me a point here. That point is the center point for my arc. Put the point of my compass at my center point, extend to my points, and because I'm accurate, yes, it hits all 3 points, and we can construct our circle as shown.